All right, guys, so today I'm gonna show you how to get that check engine light red. So let's go. All right, so the first thing you want to do is come to your local automotive store, auto parts store. Grab one of these scanners. You can just ask them and they'll let you use it. And then grab your keys, come on over here, see if I can get a better picture for you, and turn it on just like that, but don't crank your ignition. So once it's on, you can see all those lights. We're gonna go ahead and come under here, and then right here is where you're gonna go ahead and stick your scanner. And once you stick it on, it's gonna go ahead and read. Let it do its thing. Takes a little minute, just let it do its thing. Scanning all your vehicle codes. All right, so once it's done, you can see all the codes that you have. And it'll show you all your codes. So I have 2 codes. And you can just go on Google, put the make, model, and year of your vehicle, and it'll tell you what the codes mean. But that's all you do. So now, if you want to erase them, you just hit erase. Boom, boom, boom. You want to erase the codes? Yes, we do. All right, so now you can just go ahead and disconnect that bad boy by pulling it, and then our codes are gone. Your codes are gonna come back, of course, until you get that fixed, but yeah, hope this helps. Please subscribe, and just remember, if I can fix it, you can fix it.